Hello, good morning once again. And I think we need to start our session for this morning. So, as scheduled, our topics should be uh, um, after the opening program. Supposedly, for 3 hours, we're going to discuss this morning about online Office Suite collaborative tools. However, since we have limited time siguro this morning session, I think we're gonna have 1 hour session only siguro, no? And then we'll take a break, lunch break, and then we'll proceed with some more topics in the afternoon. So supposedly in the afternoon, gamay naman lang ya topic nga i-ano naton. So um I think makaigo man siguro yung topics nato, no? So anyway, the materials are prepared already. So we need to just I hope that you have visited gali our Google Slides. I mean the Google Classroom nga gin ano nato, no, sa FB groups nga gin refer kay ISCOF-CARES. And then if not, ang sa Google sites nga website, no. So anyway, all the materials are there. And if ever we had a face-to-face class, I think I can provide you also with the video so that hindi nyo dun pag-download. And then, kagmay lang taon man kita, no, sa offline nga step-by-step procedure on how to do some of the applications that we're going to be discussing. So, for online, by the way, this is the day 1 AM session of our training workshop on Google Workspace for Education. So as you have heard kagina gali, we have 3-part training workshop, and all throughout the opening program, I think that we have discussed the schedule. So anyway, if ever the schedule will have revisions, I will just inform you about revisions kung may ara gid man. If not, we'll continue our training workshop but as scheduled. Okay. So the topics that we're going to have for this morning, I think I am so that we can fast track all of the outputs. I think I'm gonna show you the video on how to do Google Sheets, Google Docs, and Google Sheets. So I'm trying to see the materials for slides and Jamboard kagina. And then if ever we can have time, we're going to discuss about some chat platform sa Google, no. Okay, so without further ado, I think let me present to you. Let me just open the video for Google Docs, and then we can okay, so this is a little bit tricky, no? So Google Meet, if you have presented some materials in video, I think you have to go for present on a tab. So that is best for video and animation, so that you can see, you can hear also and see the video and the audio. So that becomes my problem whenever we have class, because of experimenting different kinds of for presentation. So I'm used to present PowerPoint slides. However, that is one thing gali, no, with having an online class, is that you have you must have a PowerPoint presentation at least to conduct online classes. Otherwise, your online class will not suit the. It's not organized. It's not organized. So okay, so let me present the. Okay, wait a minute. Google Docs Media. So wala siya gabutan. Okay, wait lang. Present. Okay. Okay. So tell me.
The web-based application in which documents can be created and then stored online. Files can be accessed Google Docs is a part of the
Excuse me before we go on. Let me ask lang everyone if you can see my screen and you can hear the audio.
Yes, sir. We can. Yes, sir.
Again, as I said, let me check lang if you can hear and see the audio, please. Any response?
Sir Ayan. Sir
Hello?
Hello, Sir Ayan. Wa ay gigamit na batian kay
Ay, sorry.
gahod lang.
Ay,
Wagi
sorry,
kami
sorry.
naintindihan.
Sorry. No, gin-open ko abi yadang video ni Sage. And gin-try ko nga mag-share kaninyo sa naka doon abi I'm sorry. Sige lang, I'm sorry. Puro static lang gid no. I-try ko nga i-open liwat. Kaya naka-open siya sa MP4 sa material sa dang video. Hindi ko siya ma-share. That's why ko gani kay na nag-comment kung makita nyo bala kung hindi. Sorry. Medyo mag-akod gid kag hindi Naka-login ka mo ma'am sa inyong .edu accounts?
Yes.
Okay. So, I'm sorry. I don't know what happened, no? Kaya naka siya. So maybe try naton liwat. Try ko liwat kung pwede siya kay naga-echo lang gid no. I'm sorry about the supposedly so, let me copy lang gid the video ay siguro sa halin sa flash drive pakadto sa computer ko. In the meantime, samtang nga naga-copy kita medyo gali ka na ako. Amo dagurong hindi siya kay sa flash drive siya nakabutang. So maybe na virusan ni Okay, take two naton, take two. ISCOF-CARES and then materials form sa docs. So supposedly I'm gonna open this with and then before nga i-present naton daya I think we need to to open siguro our .edu accounts later on kung mag-workshop do kita. So let me try again. I'm sorry about the kapalpakan. Part 2 sige. Present ko gid ang video sa docs and then we can we will be discussing it later. So together with the sheets. Kay we have lacking time. We don't have we don't have the luxury of the time. So I think we're gonna do it for 1 hour and then we'll continue this afternoon, okay? So take two. Hindi siya ma-open. Hindi siya mas-share. So supposedly na-share na siya. Meet. Okay, wait lang ma'am. Hindi ma-share out. Okay, Gmail, Google Drive, Bitmoji. So docs. Let me ma'am, browse the contents. Yan, dali lang. Oh, sige, sige. Okay, part 3. Part 3. Take 3. Let me present ma'am. Okay, so ang Google Docs sa video. I hope that this time, okay doon mabatian natin doon yung audio kag video ha. Share ko lang kaninyo ma'am. Dali lang gid. I'm sorry about the delay. Amo gid ako nagaklase ta. Dali lang gid ma'am ha. Share ko lang. Okay, so please feedback lang ano niyo ma'am ha. Yeah.
Aren't you tired of editing a document, saving it with file names version 1, version 2, up to the final version, sending it to other people over and over again? Don't worry, I got it back. I am Miss Sage and I will discuss it with you about Google Docs. So what is Google Docs? Google Docs is a free web-based application in which documents can be created, edited, and stored online. Files can be accessed from any computer with an internet connection and a full-featured web browser. Google Docs is a part of a comprehensive package of online applications offered by and associated with Google. At the end of this video, you will be able to learn the following: create or import files, edit and format a document, share and collaborate on files, print and download files. This video tutorial is brought to you by ISCOF-CARES.
Good day everyone and welcome back to another video tutorial. I am Sage and today we're going to explore Google Docs. So first, you need to open a web browser and on the address bar, type docs.google.com, then press enter. And then as you can see, we've been redirected to the sign-in page of Google. So you may type your email address. In this case, I will use my iscop.edu.ph account. Press enter or click next. Then type your password. Press enter or click next. Then as you can see, we've been redirected to the home page of Google Docs. So to get started, click the plus sign. But before we fully explore Google Docs, let's first familiarize the user interface of Google Docs. So this right here is the title bar, and this right here is the menu bar. It is where file, edit, view, insert, format, tools, add-ons, help are located. So to get started, let's first try to import a file. So to import a file, click File on the menu bar, and then click Open. Then choose any document file that you want to open or drag it here in the box. In my case, I will choose a local file named essay and then wait for it to be done uploading. And as you can see, your Microsoft Word file is now imported to your Google Docs. However, if you wish to start from scratch, you may do so. You can rename your file by clicking here. In my case, I will just name my file as robotics. And then, as you can see, it is reflected here in the tab. And now you can start typing right here in the blank page. Or you can paste any text that you want. So, as you can see, it is automatically saved to your drive. And because you can automatically save it to your drive, you can access it anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. And now, to start formatting and editing our text, let's now explore the toolbar. So first, we may highlight the text that we want to edit. And now we can choose what style do we want it to be. Is it a header, a title, a subtitle, or just a normal text? Let's say I'm just gonna choose normal text here. And now we can highlight all the text and change it to font style. So to change its font style, you just click it here, and then you may choose a font style that you want. So in my case, I'll just choose Railway. Also, you can increase or decrease the font size. In my case, I will just choose 14. There. Now it is bigger than before. You can also bold the text. So I'll just bold the first word, italicize, underline, or you may also change the text color. Okay, let's just pick some random color. Let's say blue. So there. We've edited the first word of the paragraph. We may also highlight the text by highlighting it, then choose any color that we want. Let's just say yellow. There, as you can see, it's highlighted, italicized, it is bold, underlined, and the color was changed. And now, to change the alignment and the justification of the text, you might highlight the text that you want, and then go to this part of the toolbar. Then choose the alignment that you want. Is either left, center align, right align, or justify. Let's just choose the justify. So we may also change the line spacing. So highlight the text, then click right here, and you may choose your spacing. You can choose, I'll just choose 1.5. There. The changes have been made, and it is saved into the Google Drive. And now, to create a numbered or bulleted list, let's say we might highlight this text and then click it right here for the bulleted list, or if you want a numbered list, you can click it right here. To make it look like this, or the bulleted list has also a format, so you may choose it's either like this, or like this, or like this. If you want to share the file, you have two options. First, you can go to the file located at the menu bar, then click share. Or you can go to share located at the upper right corner of your screen. Then enter the email address of the person you wanted to share the document to. Let's say I'm gonna choose CARES trainer. And then you can choose the type of access you can give to the person. So let's say I want to choose editor, so he or she can comment on my document. and hit send. See? It has a notification that the person has been added to your document. And now I'm gonna show you how to collaborate on the files. And in order to do that, let's open the CARES trainer email. And as you can see, we have an unread email here. Let's open that. And then click open. Then there, you can see that we can now comment into the document that the other person had created. So to comment, let's click here. So let's say change the font style. And click comment. The other person will be able to see the comment that you have made into the document. And another comment, let's say change this to
Dobra pa ako.
a bulleted list. Change this into a bulleted list. Now, if we go back to the original email, we will see the comments that the CARES trainer have commented. So, okay. See, it has a notification that the CARES trainer had commented into the document. So, see, we may reply to this comment. Let's say done. And here, click reply. So let's change the font style. Let's say choose Arial. So there, we have changed the font style to Arial. And then another comment. So let's change it to a bulleted list. Oops. There, we have changed this to a bulleted list. Let's also comment done. Then click reply. There. We will check if the other person can see our reply. There. As you can see, the other person will see our reply. You may also want to download your file. So in order to do that, click File located at the menu bar. Then click Download. Then you may choose what type of file you want it to be exported. So let's say I'm gonna choose Microsoft Word. Now you see it's done downloading. And if we open this file, we can now edit the file as a Microsoft Word file. And now we can print a document. To print the document, click File located on the menu bar and then click Print, or simply Ctrl P. And click Print. So that's it. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have learned something from this tutorial.
Now, for the assessment part, create, edit, and format a resume. Share your output and collaborate with other participants. After that, download the document that you have created and upload it to our Google Classroom. Have fun and enjoy doing the activity.
Okay. I think that is it for Google Docs, and we will try to emulate the activity, no? So let me hear from you if you get or got the video loud and clear. No more disturbances. Let me
Yes, sir.
ask. Oh, thank you, ma'am. Oo. Okay. Woo! Grabe. What I did kagina gali, no? For your information is to share the video using the VLC. Pero as you can see, nagpalpak kay trial and error abi, no? So this is our first time that we're going to do our virtual workshop. So workshop. So I think I'm sorry for the error and the delay. Whereas nga tulad, what happened is gindirekta ko pangita ang ISCOF-CARES video from YouTube. So you can also see that in YouTube. Without further ado, let's have the workshop siguro, no? Dali malang daya, guys. I think for 10 to 15 minutes matapos na naton dyan, and then we'll take our lunch, and then we'll continue our discussion sa at 1 p.m. onwards. So I'm sorry man about the opening program kasi wala mo naton ma-anticipate nga naglawig gawa ang time na gin-spend sa opening program. So we don't have time for this AM. Anyway, para nga may video kita for AM and nga nag-workshop kita gid man. So let's maskin isa lang ka topic anay. So for this one, I think for the Google Docs, you can actually let me please palihog lang, sundon ninyo guys, and the first thing that we're going to do is to log in with our Google accounts.edu accounts. So I have posted FB groups ang Google accounts nga nato. Okay, our own Google accounts. Please put there your Google account so that on the comment section, so that we can use it later on sa workshop nato, whereby that will be our reference for the for sharing files. Okay, so for this one, in the meantime, let me present my screen now. Okay, so for this one, I think we're going to start with basics, good, no? So we will be please choose the browser that you wanted to use, because as I've said, I'm recommending to have multiple browsers sa laptop naton, because parang hindi magsamo ang personal Google accounts na ginagamit naton and at the same time ang account nga gamiton naton for the demo. So I'm using Microsoft Edge for this activity. So what we're going to do is to type google.com. Okay, so if ever you have a login account, log out ko na siya guro, no, para okay, wait lang. I think I need to log out my account so that we can start from the very beginning, no? So in your case, please please log in into your .edu account, no? Okay, there seems to be a problem with the internet, so medyo mahinay. But anyway, hindi ko siya ma-log out. Okay, sige lang. Anyway, please log into your Google account, .edu account, get ISCOF.edu account. So you can do that. You type google.com and then first you go to Gmail and then sign in. As you can see, hindi ko siya ma-log out. So um, it will be hard time for me to log in again. So please do so. And then please let me know if you're finished logging in already. Guys, have you finished logging into your Google accounts, .edu
Not
accounts?
yet, sir. Medyo hinay ang signal.
Yes, ma'am. Amo man dahil yung experience ko diya do karon.
Hinay,
So,
sir. Angan-angan lang. Or
yes,
base,
yes, yes.
sir, gusto na gurumigma kita, anay.
Okay, so pwede man.
And be back sa mga 1 p.m. guro, sir, ay, if okay lang kanimo.
Yes, ma'am. We will do that.
Para, sir,
it's almost lunchtime
time
gani.
kita sa aton nga browser to log in sa aton nga Google account wala sa ISCOF.edu. Tayo ko hinay kita, sir, ay.
Hinay gid man siya, ma'am. Oo, sige. Medyo mainay. Okay, sige, ma'am. Is it okay with our two ma'am, Doc Joy and Doc Mirna, are you okay with we'll continue this afternoon lang?
Yes, sir. Okay, good. Yes, sir.
Oh, sige. Kay Doc, gid man. Okay. Anyway, we have a lot of time later on, so maybe we can continue our workshop, no? And anyway, apat pa lang man kita so that ang iban makaano man. So thank you very much. I will. I think we're going to use the same link later on. Yes. We will continue. Nakapost naman dito. So just be here at 1 p.m. So thank you very much, and good day.
Good noon.
Thank you.
Kita gid ito maya, oo. Budlay kon magutuman gid man kita kon hindi kita ka workshop it mayad. So sige. Thank you so much, and I will be stopping the recording, and see you later. So thank you.
Sige, sir, I see you.
Yes, ma'am.